These graphite pencils are so much more than normal pencils. Let me show you what's so special about them. Now I want to show you the watercolor graphite pencils. As you can see, they are made in Germany and part of the design journey, so perfect for beginners. And it's a set. There are three graphite pencils inside of this set and also one brush. The brush is for special effects because these pencils are water-soluble. And you can see this also on this little symbol here. They come in 3 degrees of hardness, 8B, 6B and 4B, which means they're really soft. And the highest number indicates that this one is the softest. These pencils are really perfect to add a soft shadow to your watercoloring paintings or to your illustrations. And I really love it for this purpose. Now I want to swatch these colors, and as you will see, we can get really dark shades, a dark black and also really cool gray shades. I'm starting with my pencil and in 4B and lay it down on the paper. The next one is 6B. I'm doing the same. And the last one is 8B. It's the softest one and you can achieve almost a black color with it. Now I use a brush and load it with water. And we work on a watercolor paper with heavy weight, so it won't bump if we work with water. As you can see, you can easily dissolve the graphite and get this nice color variation. This is almost black. As you can see, you can get really creative with these graphite pencils, and I love to combine different techniques and to create a wreath or something and play with the contrast between the soft painted graphite pencils and also the lines which are drawn with the pencil directly. In the next tutorial, I'll show you different techniques and applications that you wouldn't expect. I'll explain the techniques and we'll paint this beautiful floral wreath together in the next tutorial. Check out my free art class at STAEDTLER.com.